Hi, I'm Scott from EasyShed and I'm here to show you our new garage sheds up close. If you're in need of a secure, protected space at home for your cars, bikes or boat, our garage sheds are a cracking option. They're affordable, easy to build and come in a range of options. Not only that, they're built in Australia, so when you buy direct from us, you know you're getting the best possible quality and best price. We also offer a lifetime warranty. Now, starting dimensions are 3 metres wide and 4.5 metres deep, and you can increase the width up to 3.75 and 7.5 metres deep. That's heaps of room for your vehicle, plus leftover space for your tools, bikes, a workshop, maybe even turn it into a man cave or she shed. This one here is our 3 by 6 metre tall garage shed with a wall height of 2.1 and a peak height of 2.4 metres. You can see how roomy it is. The engineered portal frame provides strength and durability. It's made from rolled galvanised steel purlins and thick brackets, all bolted together to create a super strong core for your shed. Here, you've got a fully braced 2.3 metre hinge door for getting your vehicle in and out, with a single door on the width for additional personal access. Base-wise, you'll need a rebated concrete slab laid, which is what we recommend for all our DIY kits, since they don't come with floors, as you can see. Our awesome team will also let you know how many concrete fixings you'll need to get things sorted. Pad bolt and hasp blocks keep everything secure. You could add a padlock too if you feel like it. All our sheds are made from premium blue scope steel, so they'll hold up against our harsh Aussie weather. As for colours, this model comes in a range of popular colours as well as zinc aluminum. And since our pre-painted steel is made of Aussie colour bond, there'll be no chipping, peeling or cracking. The shed arrives flat packed, and our 5-step easy assembly process will have you up and running in no time. These self-tapping screws also help ensure your DIY efforts will last. Plus, you can add on accessories to further customise your structure, which are all available on our website. And that's a wrap from me. Thanks very much for watching.